What's up, YouTubians? Gary, VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to a special little episode here that I'm doing that kind of answering a question I get sometimes. How do I clean parts? Well, kind of simple, so let's dive in and I'll show you. If you're new here, let me introduce myself kind of. I build Volkswagens, that's why it's VW Jawbreaker. So there is the 60. It's a 1960 Volksrad Baja Frankenbeetle build. Did a complete ground up from this, basically. I mean, this thing was a pile when we first got it. We also do some other odds and ends, plus we also build engines and pretty much a little bit of everything. We do camping and, you know, some odd and end stuff here and there. And if you know anything about me, you know that I love my super clean. Stuff works amazing. It's literally some of the best degreaser I've ever used. Only thing I use in my shop. But when it comes to carburetors and small parts and things of that nature, how do I get things so clean besides using super clean? Well, I use an ultrasonic cleaner. This is a small little, like 6 or 7 quart. If you remember, long while back, we had a good friend of ours that used to put out videos. He no longer does. Come on, good old Mike. What's the deal? He passed that along to me. I needed a ultrasonic cleaner. He's like, man, I need to upgrade. So here, you take this one and I'm gonna upgrade. So that's what he did. I've been using this one now for quite a few years. Sometimes you outgrow things. What does that mean for me? It means I need a new ultrasonic cleaner. So what did I go for? Well, let's unbox it real quick because I got a box here from Vevor. And let's see exactly what's inside. So this right here is a 22 liter, which is 5.8 gallon capacity ultrasonic cleaner from Vevor. It's not as deep as I would think, but it's decently deep. I mean, it's, you know, but it's definitely got lots of surface area. Comes with some instructions, a drain hose for outside here, and a little plastic fitting. I'd probably let it cool down before you drained it. And some drain tube, which is pretty thin, but you're just trying to get the liquid out and drain like into a bucket or something. This does have a digital control panel with a 30-minute timer and also 600 watt heating power up to 80 degrees Celsius, which is 176 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a 40 kilohertz frequency, so it will literally just sit there and clean it up really, really well. So you can hot soak things and really get parts clean. So I use this for carburetors, odds and ends hardware, all kinds of stuff that, you know, are smaller parts. You know, I can't put an engine case in this thing, but we can clean rods. We can clean a lot of odd and end parts. And now, depending on what I'm doing, depends on what kind of cleaner I use. Currently in this one, I have the Gunk carburetor cleaner. That's what's in this puppy. And heat it up, man, those carbs come out nice. If I need to clean, say, greasy parts or nuts and bolts and odds and ends like that, I will drain it out, mix up some super clean along with some water, and there you go. Usually whenever you buy your super clean too, they will usually have a chart, or you can even find it online and tell you how much to dilute things down. I mean, you really can't go wrong. You know, nice big ultrasonic cleaner. It's gonna be a great addition for getting things cleaned up in the shop. Yeah, looking forward to using it. We're gonna go ahead and clean a carburetor real quick while we have the Vevor out. So I went ahead and filled it up with hot water from the sink just to help speed up the heating process some. Plug in your power cord. You got a little on-off switch in the back. Set it, I got it set for 50 degrees Celsius, which is about 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can adjust the temperature here, turn it off and on, adjust your time here, turn it off and on. So I've got the hot water in there and then some super clean. So we're going to use that inside the cleaner. So there we go, nice purpley. So what we're going to do is go ahead and drop our carburetor in. So we've got a carburetor fully taken apart. Very nice. Drop the top in. Very nice. And I've just got some jets and whatnot all in there. Help hold them in place. All right, now we'll go ahead and we got it set for 20 minutes. And we'll bring you back. Now that it's done, we'll go ahead and turn the power off to the heater. Look at that. And we'll go ahead and take this. All we need to do now is just blow out all the orifices with compressed air and brake clean to verify everything's clean. But man, that was nasty inside. Now she's spotless. So that's it. So we'll tell you, kind of long haul, we'll do a review later down the road, let you know how it's doing. But for the most part, I'm excited to use this. Could have definitely used it building this other engine behind me, but it is what it is, right? We're pretty much done with that. Well, we'll save it for the next one. Who knows? We might have some more coming up later down the road. All right, guys, thanks so much for being here. Thanks so much for sticking around. If you have not already, do me a favor, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down. I don't really care. Tell me what kind of favorite cleaner you like to use. And we'll catch you on the next one. Till then, be kind and be good.